Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord 5 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down again and find more security and privacy. Scroll down and find installation sources. So here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course you can change it. So for example, let's pretend I'd like to download the app from Chrome. All we have to do is to find it and tap on this switcher. Then let's tap on allowed, and as you can see right now it is active. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk, so remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions, just tap on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.